Good morning, guys. I nearly just got into the wrong side of my car, concentrating on the vlog. So I have just packed to go to what I would class as the best place in the UK. I'm going to Centre Parcs. Hello, Harvey. Hello, mate. How are you?
All right.
So good to see
you. Fancy bit of kit, that's in it.
Oh, I know. Yes! We are loaded. I would like to welcome James Britt to the vlog. This is my oldest and dearest friend.
And best looking.
Morning, guys. We're here on day 2. I'm trying not to film that much. I'm trying to like enjoy this as a holiday, and it's turning out nice. We just keep trying to. We've got a unicycle and we're trying to learn how to do the unicycle, but not the best at it. Not the best, but it's incredibly hard. So I'm going to practice a little bit more without knocking out the dog, and I think we're going to go play snooker and a bit of badminton.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Feel a bit bruised, guys. Feel a bit bruised. Afternoon, guys.
We are going on the pedals on the nice sunny lake.
Check that out. Yesterday, you probably saw it, you will have seen it. Sam had a shower in the hail storm yesterday.
Great.
And because there's no hailstorm today, we thought we'd make use of it and get out on the lake. So we're out and about. And we have a new visitor.
Tom Woodway.
Mr. Tom Woodway's joined us. So now there's like 10 of us.
Push forward, go forward. Go back, go backwards. Alrighty, guys.
This is day 3. We're gonna go straight into the side of these people. Accident averted. So we're on day 3, having such a great time, and it's actually awesome catching up with these guys because I haven't seen them properly for far too long, isn't it, boys?
Far too long.
Maybe not long enough for you boys, but for me, far too long. Weather's beautiful. The break, well and truly being enjoyed.
Oh, it's hailing.
One goal. Have you hooked us together?
Yeah, if you want, man.
I feel like I'm putting loads of meth in while I'm going anywhere.
I feel like I don't need to get to the gym ever again. I feel like I want to jump onto that. I'm sure it's restricted. I think it's got a speed restriction on it.
Right, reverse. Well, this is definitely not the right way. I think I just got Chappers' arse on the vlog. Oh, you know what it is.
We made it look so simple.
Guys, thank you so much.
Cheers, it's love.
Have a good day. I hope nobody parks as bad as that ever again. We made it alive. Good, I can see you from here. We've got this little squirrel friend that's following us everywhere, look. This guy. Hello. It's the craziest thing.
I don't want to bite me.
Not why. It's not a zoo.
Where's little friend?
Yeah, it's definitely fine.
Little friend?
I think you stood on its tail.
Why is it chasing me?
Oh, I feel sad for him, man. He's following me everywhere. How about you? Thanks, mate. Thanks.
Oh, he's gonna bite you.
Wait, hey.
You know what it is.
Only one.
Ah, you ended up my song.
Then when it's bigger, we'll just let it go
So
again.
just in your coat?
Yeah.
Does this happen quite a lot? Pocket.
Yeah, well, you get quite a few.
It's lost its parents.
Yeah, I mean, really, you probably shouldn't do it, but I'm not killing it, so.
It's the only hope it's little got.
Watch it nip me in a minute.
Yeah, it tries to nip on me.
Go and see if I can find it some food. Thing is, it's quite
He
an
just
old.
seems hungry, he's just
Yeah.
nibbling everything.
Is it quite old compared to ones that you
Yeah. Mechanite's been here about 8 weeks. Come on, let's go and get some food, mate. Yeah, alright.
Nice one, guys.
I'll let you know how it gets on.
Yeah,
before I
thank
end the
you.
week.
Yeah, thank you.
alright.
Cheers. These guys have just come to take our little friend away. Gonna go look after him. Right guys, this is the saddest time of the whole trip. I hope you've enjoyed this video, more of a visual vibe video. I'm going back to Leeds because I have work tonight, filming a gig for Jermaine. But I do really want to stay here. I'm really jealous that these guys get to stay and chill for at least another day. But it's been wicked, very much needed, great company all around. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I can't even end the video how I probably do, but I'll see you later. Take care, like and subscribe if you haven't already. And remember, never stop creating.